Wheeler is riding a Kawasaki 250F. Of course, he was born and raised in Vanderhoof. He's 26 years old and happily married to the beautiful Vanessa Wheeler. He's always had a dirt bike, but only started freestyle riding in the last couple of years. His daytime job is working in a big group as a metal fabricator. You can follow him on Instagram at 210 Wheeler. And with Luke Wheeler, we have Jeff Fair. 30 years old, and Jeff is also from Vanderhoof. Jeff's been riding from 2 years old. He is the 9th person in the world to successfully backflip a motorcycle. He holds the world record for the long-distance natural terrain backflip at 105 feet. He's competed worldwide. He's competed in the Red Bull X Fighters. He's a 7-time Canadian FMX champion. And his sponsors are Cycle North Motorsports, Fox Canada, Shift Canada, FMF, 100% goggles, and Atlas braces. And you can follow Jeff at #JeffFair, all one word. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jeff Fair and Luke Wheeler. Watch out, this will scare ya. These two are crazy. Watch out! This is the Airshow. And I think these two are getting enough air to be qualified as an air show here this afternoon. And there it is, the backflip. You've got some of the very best pilots in the world, and you've got some of the best people on two wheels in the world right here at home, both hometown boys.